Hey guys, in this video lesson we will discuss about vectors and their basics. So let's first talk about what are vectors. Vectors are mathematical quantities that have both magnitude and direction. So vector is any quantity that can be described by not just a number value but also by a direction of its own. Now basically there are two types of mathematical quantities known. One is called scalars and the other is called vectors. Scalars are the quantities that only have magnitude. Magnitude is the numerical value. They have no direction. Vectors are the quantities that have both magnitude and direction. Let's describe what are scalars first. Let's say I'm somewhere and I have to tell my parents my distance from home. I just say that I'm 10 kilometers away from home. If I do not describe my direction, where am I, my parents would not be able to come and pick me up from where I am. Because if this is my home, then they can go in any direction 10 kilometers, and as they do not have any specified direction, so they have multiple choices, so this will take them longer to reach me. Now if I describe my exact position, I use vectors. So if I want to describe my position from home, I say that I am 10 kilometers south of home. In this case, my parents know exactly where to go. So they can come 10 kilometers south from home, and this is where I'll be standing. So you see, vectors are always helpful when we have to describe both the magnitude and direction. Magnitude tells how much distance to travel, so this is how much, and direction is where to travel. So for traveling purposes, we need to describe vectors. And if we do not want somebody to reach us, we just describe our distance in the form of scalars.